Dear students, welcome to the classroom. In previous lesson, we have learned about input devices, and in this video, we will learn about output devices. So watch the video carefully. Output devices. You have already learnt about the commonly used output devices in the previous classes. In this section, you will learn about some other output devices such as plotters and LCD projectors. Plotter. A plotter is an output device that is used to generate graphical outputs such as images, charts, graphs, blueprints, maps, circuit diagrams, and other line based diagrams. Plotters are similar to printers, but they use ink pens to draw lines. Plotters are very slow in producing outputs because they involve many mechanical movements. There are two types of plotters. Drum plotter. This type of plotter is used to produce continuous output such as plotting an earthquake activity or for long graphic output structures such as tall building structures. A drum plotter consists of a long cylinder known as the drum. The paper that is to be printed is placed over the drum. The drum can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise to draw lines. Flatbed plotter. This type of plotter is used in designing ships, aircraft and buildings. A flatbed plotter consists of a stationary horizontal plotting surface on which the paper is fixed. A pen mounted on a carriage moves horizontally or vertically to draw lines. LCD projector. A liquid crystal display projector is a device which is used for displaying presentations created on a computer. It is generally used when the target audience is large in number and the computer or monitor cannot be used to show the presentation. For displaying a presentation, the LCD projector is connected to a computer which runs the presentation, and the projector projects the image on a flat surface like a screen or a board. So dear students, in this video we have learned about some new output devices such as plotters and LCD projectors. So watch the video carefully. It will help you to understand new output devices.